Cloudyn. My name is Rafael Chaco, and I am the GPM on the Azure Cost Management team. I occasionally get asked by customers when they should be using the native Azure Cost Management solution and when they should be using Cloudyn. The answer to that depends on certain factors like which channel or offer you are using, or if there is a specific feature that absolutely is a must-have for your business needs. Our hope is that this video will provide that clarity. So let's take a look. ACM was previewed at Ignite in September 2018. Besides building a world-class cost management experience, we also decided to make this available natively in the Azure portal to provide a truly single portal experience. Cloudyn, on the other hand, was acquired by Microsoft for its rich cost management and cross-cloud capabilities. Working towards our one portal goal, we are currently migrating Cloudyn features natively into Azure Cost Management. Cloudyn will continue to be available for any channels and features not available in Azure Cost Management during this time. We are targeting calendar year 2019 to reach key feature parity, and we will migrate Cloudyn users into Azure Cost Management as the features they use become available, with the goal to eventually sunset Cloudyn. Here are some key benefits that the native Azure Cost Management solution provides. Now let's take a look at some of the channels and key features that are available in native Azure Cost Management, or when they are planned to be made available. We have Azure for Enterprise customers that is generally available. WebDirect customers like Pay-As-You-Go, Azure and Open, and MSDN, and Azure GovCloud is in public preview with a plan to launch in early Q2 of calendar year 2019. We are currently working on building a solution for cloud solution providers and expect to have that in the H2 timeframe. Cross-Cloud for AWS is currently available in private preview. In Table 2, you will also see the sets of features that are currently available in Azure Cost Management, or when some key features will be made available. Now coming to the question on when a customer would use Cloudyn. So let's say, for example, you are a cloud solution provider, or you are a customer that needs showback capabilities, which are not yet available in Azure Cost Management. In that case, you have the choice to onboard to Cloudyn and use these features over there. If you are already using Cloudyn today, then you can continue to use it. Once all the features you need become available in Azure Cost Management, we will work with you to migrate you over to the native solution. As always, thanks for watching, and you can visit these links for more information. Thank you.